We have we have guppies here. Bought in the market by Raja Eilish. Kakalibit mo natin ito guys ng 15 minutes. Yan. Diyan mo sila guys. Alright. Tignan mo Eilish. Ayun na. And guys, little update nga pala dito sa photos plant natin na tinanim dito nakaraan. Namin siyang roots. Ayun. Ito sila guys. Alright. Ito sila baby oh. Kasi maliit sila na pagkain. Pero don't worry, hindi naman makasya sa bibig nila yan guys. Mga lang guys, so yun. Makakalagay lang natin ng mga guppies natin. Kinukulit agad siya no. Albino rainbow fish natin guys. Ayun. Kita niyo ba yun? Akala niya pagkain no. Alright. Fish out. Ops baby, fish out muna. Fish out. Sabi mo fish out.
Fish out.
Fish out.